Hari Om. Today in the third part of our series on what is good breathing, we will see how yogic breathing is done. In yogic breathing, what you have to do is first inhale and fill in your stomach area, and with the same inhalation fill in your chest area, and then when you exhale, first deflate your chest area, then your stomach area. This has many benefits which we will see at the end, but right now let me show you one round which you can do in sitting meditation pose or in prone position, that is lying down on the bed. So close your eyes, then just watch your normal natural breathing. Just watch it for 3 to 5 rounds so that you internalize your awareness. And then we start with a yogic breathing. Take a deep inhale. First fill in your stomach area, diaphragm moving down. Then in the same inhalation, fill in your chest area. And when you exhale, first deflate your chest area, then your stomach area. So like a wave, you keep breathing in, first ballooning your stomach area, filling in your stomach area. Then with the same inhale, fill in your chest area. And when you want to exhale, first deflate your chest area, then your stomach area. So like this, you can continue for whatever time available and whatever is your capacity. So this is really good for all kinds of asthma, for cardiac problems, for BP, and of course stress, tension, anxiety, and just that your body is so much oxygenated and got rid of all excess carbon dioxide. So you can imagine it just improves the functioning of all your organs and improves the flow of blood to your brain. So even mental capacity improves. So many benefits with such an easy practice. Do it before you go to sleep, when you're in your office and you find that little space, or you're commuting, you can just about do it anywhere. Stay healthy, stay happy. Hari Om. That's it.